Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM school. In this video, we will discuss about the structure of atom. Structure of an atom. So, after the discovery of electron, which is done by J.J. Thomson, and discovery of proton, which is done by Rutherford, and discovery of neutron, which is James Chadwick, and so these after the discovery of these fundamental particles, so the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson and completing explanation of the electron, properties of electron, he awarded by Nobel Prize in 1996, and again he gave the first atomic structure of the atom. After the discovery of electron, the J.J. Thomson resemblance think about the atom is neutral. So discovery of electron, the one part of the atom is electron, which is electronegative in nature. Then other part of atom will be positive. That's why on this basis J.J. Thomson first given the structure of atom, which is now seeing the name of this, which is plum pudding model. The first structure of atom is given by J.J. Thomson, which is plum pudding model. Plum pudding model. In this model, it is a gold sphere. It is a round sphere, according to the J.J. Thomson, which is filled with positive sphere and which is neutralized by these minus charges. Now, if you see the cake, these chocos are embedded like plums, and this. So plums are behave as a electronegative, which is also clear in this sphere. So in this whole sphere, the is regarded as the positive charge, and it is neutralized by the negative charge, which is an electron, according to this model is given by J.J. Thomson, which is known as plum pudding model. But the one most thing is atom is neutral. Atom is neutral. Atom is neutral. One of the most things, the firstly introduced by the J.J. Thomson, the atom must be neutral, and on this basis he said that if you open the watermelon in a equal halves, you will see the red pulp of watermelon is behave like a positive sphere, and the seed of watermelon, which are embedded in the different areas, different places in the red pulp of the watermelon. So these plums or seeds are putting in the different places of this watermelon red pulp. So same like in this sphere, the whole positive charge is neutralized by the negative charge. This plum pudding model only laid the only foundation of atom is a neutral, exists in a nature in a neutral form. Amount of negative particles are equal to the positive particles. Another things, in the time of this model, only discovery of electron has been done, but the next model which is given by this model is replaced by Rutherford model, which is given after the discovery of electron and proton. Now the next model of an atom which is given by Rutherford model. So Rutherford model, the Rutherford gave the second model of atomic structure, which is he performed the phenomena which is alpha scattering phenomena, which is he took the polonium, which is a radioactive element, and the radioactive elements, the characteristic feature, they emit automatically alpha, beta and gamma rays. He took the only alpha rays of polonium source and make a bombard on the thin foil of gold. Why he was taking the gold foil? Because gold is less reactive in comparison to other metal. Less reactive in comparison to other metal. So gold, after he polonium source का alpha rays ने पास किया from the polonium source and bombard on the gold foil, and he observed the three views, which is first, the deflection. There is after when the alpha rays are emit from the source, from polonium source, and they attack on the gold foil, first get deflected on these regions, second get deflected on these regions, and third one is get reversed back on the polonium source after conclusion of alpha scattering phenomena, which is done by Rutherford. So he conclude that the whole part, if you according to the J.J. Thomson atomic structure, which is whole sphere contain positive charge and whole sphere contain positive and negative charges. But after the alpha scattering phenomenon, which is done by Rutherford, he come on conclusion the whole part of the atom is empty, because the alpha rays are completely penetrate the maximum part of the atom, maximum part of atom. Means alpha rays penetrate the maximum part of the gold foil in a different way, but in some cases the alpha rays get reversed back to polonium source, from where they start emitted, means on this conclusion Rutherford say that the very small part of atom, the third conclusion of the Rutherford, which is a small part of an atom have dense or solid. A small part of nucleus is dense or solid, which is positive sphere, means the whole positive sphere or aggregate on center of atom, aggregate center of atom, which is finally called nucleus. The term nucleus is given by Rutherford, and for this discovery of atom of nucleus, the Rutherford is awarded by the Nobel Prize, and he gave the model. Now come to the Rutherford model. So after completing the alpha scattering phenomena with the help of polonium source on the gold foil by the bombard of alpha rays, he take the three conclusions. The maximum alpha rays are penetrate the golden foil, and only few rays of alpha particle get reversed back from the center of the gold foil. On conclusion, the Rutherford say that the very small point of an atom, of the center of atom, which is dense, the positive charges are get aggregate on the center of atom, and on this place the alpha rays are reversed back to the polonium source, and he say that the positive charges did not spread it out on the whole atom, it's aggregated on the center of atom. Now come to the structure of Rutherford model. Structure of atom of Rutherford model. So now we can see that Rutherford model. Rutherford say that it is our nucleus which contains proton, and electron revolve around the nucleus like planets. The planets in the universe revolve around the sun. So in the Rutherford model, the nucleus of an atom act like a sun, and the electron revolve around the nucleus, which act like the planet, according to the Rutherford. On the explanation of how the atom hold the electron during the revolution. On this basis, the answer of the Rutherford, he say that the two poles are operate on them. The first poles are centripetal force, and second is centrifugal force. This first force is act on, as you know that if it is a circle, here is the center and it is the periphery. If you assume that it is a circle, it is the whole is a circle, and circle is the center of circle, Now come to this example. Suppose this is a whole circuit and it is our center. It is a center and it is your periphery. So when the force act towards the center, when the force act towards the center, when the force act towards the center, or when the center pulls the periphery. If you take the example, when you go from your bicycle, from your bike, and take your turn, you are bent during the turn. Bent, where you bend? You bend towards the center. You bend towards the center from periphery. So the force is operate on the nucleus. The force is operate on the nucleus from periphery. From periphery से सेंटर की तरफ फोर्स वो करता है, which is our centripetal force. Means इलेक्ट्रॉन को पुल कौन करता है? प्रोटॉन, which is nucleus pull the electron through the centripetal force and इस तरह से होल्ड किया जाता है, and then centrifugal force on that the nucleus. This force is work on nucleus to periphery. Nucleus to periphery means the periphery pulls, means electrons pulls the proton. Suppose if you see the children on the garden, they are playing or sitting in the merry-go-round, and suddenly they are sitting in the merry-go-round and it rotates properly. Sometimes they feel they are exerted. They are thrown from their sitting position to the periphery. So it is like a centrifugal force. So the two forces are working between the electron and proton. The first force, the centrifugal force, nucleus, the periphery, from periphery to nucleus, centrifugal force from nucleus to periphery. These forces are operate to each other. Now, how the electron is revolved into the Rutherford model. So, the two forces are suppose it is our electron which revolve suppose when the electron is revolved like that, this is our center, it is designed by the Rutherford, and suddenly when sometimes the electron get different desired path, and certain time what is the stability of the electrons? This Rutherford did not able to explain the where the stability of electron. Sometimes you imagine that when the electron are revolved on this side and ultimately coming on this orbit and ultimately come on this orbit and get suddenly when the force or centrifugal force or work on them, the nucleus, the electron finally come and fall down on the nucleus and atom get destroyed. But atom exists. The most accepted atomic structure, which is given by Niels Bohr, we will discuss in next video.